Hi, my name is Emmanuel Lopez, aka Motivator Man. I'm an author, speaker, and a movie blogger. And I want to turn that into a book, my movie blog, and this was the place to be. I mean, JG was amazing, and Jerry was amazing. Everybody was amazing here, and just like opening up my mindset, and actually helping me find the courage to be able to get this book that's inside here and out, and share and help people around the world. When you have your book inside you too, right?
I'm Linda Mullen, and I'm an author. And this weekend has shifted my paradigms and opened me up to all kinds of possibilities. And I'm hoping that in the near future that my book will finally get written and we'll get it out there. And thanks to Jerry and JG, I think I'm going to be able to do that.
Yes, and I'm going to be getting her to autograph her book for me, and vice versa.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.